On OpenAI's community page in the news, a comment was released yesterday about potential leaks reported by Bloomberg and Reuters about OpenAI potentially making progress in enabling AI models to plan ahead before providing answers. These two news articles are suggesting a new codename called Project Strawberry, formerly known as QStar, a cutting-edge AI reasoning technology. They believe the project aims to create AI capable of autonomous, deep research by navigating the internet and performing complex multi-step tasks. Using a specialized post-training process, Strawberry may perhaps dramatically improve AI reasoning capabilities. These reports suggest that OpenAI is pushing the boundaries of AI reasoning and autonomous research capabilities. If true, this could mark a major leap forward in AI technology, bringing us closer to more advanced and capable AI systems sooner than many anticipated.